Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today we are going winter kayaking down on Sugarloaf Key at the Sugarloaf Key, Key West KOA. We're going to get the kayaks down, put them in, and do a little winter kayaking. Ray, what do you think about winter kayaking?
Winter, it's amazing.
Yeah.
You can be a different place at the same time and then be warm, very warm, versus very cold.
There we go. Phoebe, of course, is staying back. She'll be in the air conditioning. Right, Phoebe J? Right, Phoebe J? Gonna be in the air conditioning? Okay, we are launching at the KOA Marina, Sugarloaf Key, for our winter kayaking trip. Tim, what do you think? Are we doing all right? Yeah. There we go. Tim is our safety advisor on this trip. All right, Marie, drop it in there. I'll push you. All right, Tim, we're off. You going for the starfish, Marie? What do you think, Brian? Not bad winter kayaking, huh? Yeah, I don't see him, right? Yeah.
I have lotion, Brian and me. Brian likes someone. Okay, I have.
Of course, there is the famous bridge, the whole railroad. Well, for former teachers and a librarian, we're always looking for a school of fish. Bad dad joke.
Yeah. That's because we're class E people. So there's another dad joke.
But you're a class A people.
Well, some of them.
Others are draggers. Here you can see how these bridges were constructed back in the early 1900s. And you can see they added the steel to put the road on top of the railroad bridge. Of course, here's the newer bridge to replace it. And that is the water line that comes down from the mainland. This is my first kayaking trip in the lower Florida Keys. I was kayaking up in Largo years ago. Here you can see how clear the water is, and you can see the bay grasses in there. Very healthy looking. There's some fish. I don't know if you can see them, but there's some fish right there. Should have brought the fishing rod with me. Oh, there's a nice fish there. So here is a nice kayak trail coming through the mangroves. Doesn't that look pretty? Brian is leading us on this tour. He's the proprietor of Ham Kayaking Tours.
Very temporary job.
Yes, lasts about an hour. I'm not sure. Scallops would have those like long lines on them, right?
Shells, but these are kind of shaped like that, but I'm not sure if they are.
Let me get a video. Do you see any more up there?
Two dead fish.
That's from the cold, probably. Yeah, they look like oyster shells to me. Will somebody tell us, scallops or oyster shells or just some kind of clam? Put it in the comments below. Carolina skiff, Marie, how many of those have I had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what you see. Look how tall the pillars are on that one in front of you. They're ready for the next hurricane. Someone's swimming in the pool. Yep.
Yes. I wouldn't be walking under that coconut tree.
This ramp hasn't been used in quite a while.
Yes.
Ooh, look at the barracuda right there.
Where?
Right here. See him?
No, I don't.
He's right here, right off the end of my paddle.
Okay. Oh, I see him now. So what are you doing in my area?
Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up.
Shoveled.
We bought that house, Brian. We could fix it up.
Yeah, you bought that. We have friends who buy property like that. You. I have mine. We'll come visit.
Where did our barracuda go, Brian?
Yeah?
It's a nice secluded area back here. This would be a good property for me. So you can always find an area to kayak when you're down in the Keys, and believe me, this is the best winter kayaking we've ever done. Notice I have socks on. Gotta wash those and protect those feet. You don't want an infection. starting to kick in a little bit. This one is for sale.
No, run right up on the dock.
Hey, how are you?
He's pretty. This one's great.
Now here's one in the trees.
That's, yeah, one moved in there, but we didn't see it.
Right in there. They're everywhere. That one's dark green. This one's more the color of the trees.
We can take it back to Murphy to play with it.
This one's on the move.
They're pretty good for dusting.
So some of those iguanas survived the Great Freeze. You never know who's going to be watching you from the dock. Hey little puppy, how are you? Hey look, if this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and give the video a thumbs up. That helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that,
Go have some fun out there.
hey, thanks for watching.